Welcome to part 1 of our series on using the Hoopla app. In this video, we will walk through the process of downloading and installing the app on your device, and then logging in. Watch the following videos for more information on how to use the app. Before we begin, ensure that you are connected to the internet on your device and that you have a City of Bunbury library card and your PIN number. The card number is the one beginning with CL204. It can be found here underneath the barcode on your library card. Your PIN number, which is attached to your account, will have been created when you first signed up to the library. If you are unsure of what it is, please check here on your library card or come in and see one of our staff members. Once you have both your library card number and your PIN, we are ready to begin. To download the Hoopla app to your device, you will need to access the App Store. For iOS devices, this will be the App Store. If you are using an Amazon Fire tablet, it will be the Amazon App Store. And lastly, for Android devices like this one, it will be Google Play. You will then need to search for Hoopla. Ensure that the app has this logo and then install it on your device. Once the app is installed, open it up. You can do this from the App Store menu or by tapping on the app icon. Once the app is opened, you will be greeted by this screen. You have 3 options. If you have already created a Hoopla account, up the top right you can select Login and proceed as normal. If you just want to have a look around without committing to anything, you can select Explore Hoopla. And lastly, for new members, you will select Sign Up. Once you select Sign Up, you'll be taken to a new screen that will walk you through the sign up process. As you can see, it asks that you have your library card and PIN as well as a valid email address. Once you are ready, we'll tap Let's Go. You will then be taken to the next screen in which you can type in Bunbury. The top option will be the Bunbury Public Library, as shown on the screen. Once you have selected the option, press Next. You will now be prompted to input your card number and PIN, which as mentioned is the number beginning with CL204 and the password, which is your PIN. You will also have a tick box you are required to select in order to continue. The final page will require you to enter your email address and also a password. Make sure that it is something that you won't forget. Under that, you have 2 boxes. The first asks if you want promotional material from Hoopla, and the second asks if you wish for notifications to your device when new materials are made available. Once your details are all confirmed, the app will show this screen. Select Get Started. This will take you to the app's homepage. Well done. For more instruction on how to use Hoopla, please watch the other videos in this series, which will be linked below and at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please click like if this video was helpful.